just insert clips of our activities in the pool, and I will be back later. Lamig. Okay, so we're done swimming now. I need to take a bath, then we'll go out for lunch, I think. Or if not, we'll have picture taking outside. So I need to wash myself, and my hair is all dried up and so wavy and all. So I have to take a shower, and I'll be back later. After 1 hour, I'm finally done. I'm wearing my hat, my shades, and this is my outfit. So, we're off to the beach to eat lunch, and it's Nanay's birthday. Happy birthday, Nay! So, we're about to have lunch, and yeah. So hot. So we'll have lunch in the wood pavilion, which is close to the beach. So we're having a beach view. So here is the view of the beach. Day here, and we are off to the beach. I haven't vlogged since yesterday. It is because I wanted to have more private time with my family, but I have inserted some of the activities we have done. Water activity. We are going to try the banana boat. There's a part here in the beach where you can borrow a bike and go around. We went biking yesterday and it was fun. Okay, so it's my first time to ride the banana boat. I'm quite scared, but I'm also excited because I don't know. I'm excited to fall. But yeah. This will be a memorable activity for us, so I'll just insert some clips. Okay, so we'll be checking out now, and I will go down to the lobby because my family is waiting there for me. So here's my outfit. I'm wearing a halter top and a short. Okay, so I will be going down now and we'll take pictures. And yeah, that is everything we'll do. I will be back later. I am such an independent, strong woman. Okay, so we are on the way to the parking and our vacation is done. So sad. So I will be ending the vlog here. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. I will see you guys in my next one.